he will crush. So you should always remember. Helping each other, wife and husband, not daily changing, divorcing, and you should develop your Krishna consciousness. And that is why he has told. Satang prasangam vidya samvidau bhavante ritakarana rasayana katha tajjosanat asu apavargavatmani sadharati bhakti anukramishati. Pundarik is here. You should explain.
Satam prasanganamam vichya samvidau bhavanti ritakarana rasayana katha tajjosanat asu apavargavatmani sadharati bhakti anukramishati. In this verse, it is said that those who have desire to advance in the path of Krishna consciousness and they want to get rid from the cycle of birth and death, then what they should do? They should go in the association of sadhus, those bona fide saintly persons who are relishing the taste of Krishna consciousness in their heart. What happens there in their association? Satam prasangan mama vichya samvido. They are always discussing about my powerful pastimes, my sweet pastimes, which are so powerful and so potent that they can actually award us the ultimate perfection and cleanse our heart from all kind of disease, especially lust. Satam prasangan mama vichya samvido bhavanti ritakarana rasayana katha. These pastimes which we hear in the company of sadhu, they are not only powerful and potent, but they are also very sweet. They are very relishable for the ear as well. They are very poetic. When we hear, we will immediately feel the effect that our all anxiety and misery will disappear. Then what will happen? Gradually, the faith, the shraddha, it will intensify in our heart. It will become more strong, and gradually it will become rati, and then further onwards prem. So this is why it is very important that we should go in the shelter, in the association of those saintly persons who have realized that absolute truth, who actually are firmly established in the relationship with the Supreme Lord. Hare Krishna.
More vital point is that, right my English?
Yes.
More important is this, that Krishneti jasya giring tang manasadriyeta dikshasti cheta pranatibhishya bhajantamisham sussusya bhajan vigyamananyamanya nindadi sunnam hridamipsati sankalapta. Most important thing, how to behave with Vaishnavas, to Kanishta, Madhyam or Uttam. Really they are Madhyam Vaishnava. If they don't behave, they are not Vaishnava. You can from there you can from there. Oh no, stand it.
Krishneti yasya giritam manasadriyeta. This is a very important verse in the Upadeshamrit by Srila Rupa Goswami. And Srila Gurudev explained that if we cannot follow this verse, we cannot advance 1 inch in Krishna consciousness. Krishneti yasya giritam manasadriyeta. Man means mind. For one who's not very serious in Krishna consciousness, for who's a Kanistha Bhakta, a Prakrita Bhakta, materialistic Bhakta, but who's sometimes chanting Hare Krishna, then we should offer obeisances to him within our mind. If we offer obeisances to such a proud materialistic bhakta with our body, then even if we're in a higher position, he may become puffed up and think that, oh, this is a lower devotee. And so we do it in our mind. Then if dikshasti chase pranati bis, if someone has actually taken diksha, not in a what's called anustanika diksha, simply just swaha, just the externals, but not actually following with the heart or following the principles. Not like that. But if someone has actually taken diksha and he's actually sincerely following his spiritual master's instructions and the instructions of the previous acharyas, then that person is considered as a madhyama or middle devotee, and we should offer our obeisances to such a person with our body and cooperate in some ways. Then shushushi bis, if someone is a pure devotee, a self-realized soul, an Uttama Mahabhagwat, who's always absorbed 24 hours a day in meditating on the Lord's eightfold pastimes, his 24-hour-a-day pastimes, and that person is nindadi, beginning from the offense of criticizing others. If he's free from all faults, beginning with the fault of criticizing others, then one should serve him with his life and soul and be prepared to give his whole head. Such a person can be accepted as a bona fide guru. And only by the grace of and guidance of such a person can one know how to deal with all other devotees and thus make advancement.
Very good. Here Kanishta Adhikari means, if Kanishta Adhikari is taking in whole day one even Krishna, what is the meaning? Oh, if he is not Mayavadi, he is not attracted to Mayavad, and he is not Sahajiya or so much Vishay.
Sense enjoyer.
He is not like so. But he is not very strong like a Madhyam Adhikari. Then he is Kanishta. And if he is chanting even one name without any initiation, we should regard him by mind.
And it is not offensive to Vaishnavas.
Yes. Everything comes. So, he is Kanishta. If he is telling name one, we should know him our Sajatiya.
Same family.
In family. But even Dikshit, he is taken initiation first, second, third, fourth, fifth, five, so many. But he is not favorable. He has so many false ego. I am Guru of all. Then he should be rejected. He should be very humble. So, he should be honored. If you are not giving respect, then you are like Kanishta Adhikari. More than this. And if you are offending, then no symptom of any bhakti. So, we should honor three kinds of Vaishnavas. What Rupa Goswami has. If you are not giving proper respect to them, even a Kanishta Adhikari, if you are not giving proper respect, you cannot develop your Krishna consciousness. So you should try to give respect. At the time of sitting in classes, at the time of prasadam, at that time of any meeting, always try to give proper respect according to their bhakti. it is very favorable for bhakti. अनासक्तस्य विषयान् यथार्हम् उपयुञ्जत निर्बन्ध कृष्ण संबंधे युक्तम वैराग्यम उच्यते. Maharaj, Madhav Maharaj explain.
So, the Bhaktivinoda Thakur has explained here that anasaktasya visayan yatharam upajunjata nirbandhe Krishna sambandhe yuktam vairagya muchyate. What is yukta vairagya? Vairagya means renunciation. There are two types of vairagya, means two types of renunciation. One is called Phalgu vairagya or Markad vairagya. Means renunciation only to show to others. Just like a monkey, they never dress themselves with human beings, not they are making any building, but always they are ready to grab some other thing. Especially if you go in Vrindavan, you can see, if you passing through any lane and you have some fruits or anything, food stuff, they look from distance and they will be calm and quiet. When you come nearer, they will grab you, take everything and go away. You can understand they want to grab you from your hand. So this type of vairagya called Markad vairagya. Actually no vairagya at all. Only want to show others that I am so renounced person. And what is Yukta vairagya? About this, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur has quoted this sloka that anasaktasya visayan, will not be attached too much with your material thing. For maintain your life, which is needed, you will accept that thing only, not more than that. Anasaktasya visayan yatharam upajunjata, which is needed, you can accept that, then you are okay. If you take too much, then it is not good for you. So Srila Rupa Goswami also restrict about this thing in his Upadesamritam. Nirbandha Krishna sambandhe, and which you will do, try to please Krishna. How? Through bona fide Gurudev. If you do so, that whatever you are doing, all your endeavor will go to please Krishna. Being one-pointed, then it is Yukta Vairagya. If Yukta Vairagya, then you will advance in Krishna consciousness very easily. And if you not, only Markad Vairagya, then you will go down, down, down. And Yukta Vairagya, then you go gradually higher and higher. And one day will come, then you will get more good association and you can attain the service of divine couple. Hare Krishna.
Oh, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur is explaining a very essential thing. If you have given up everything, you have left your wife, children, your wealth, your position, everything, but you have not given up all things, even you are given. Oh, Pratishtha. Pratishtha means praise, self-praise, that all should praise me. This ichha, desire is very dangerous. Very dangerous. It is like crocodile. At once it will swallow you. Or it is like Swapacharamini, prostitute, bogus prostitute like. In a moment she can take your all
Wealth and intelligence.
So try to keep it
away from
far away. Oh, it is the root of all kinds of unwanted things. So always be very careful. Oh, don't even touch. Don't touch. And don't look after this. Even by mind, in dream even, if you want to develop Krishna. It is very hard to give up. All ones that also praise me. And we will, if any lady comes and I tell her, oh, your baby is very beautiful, though he is black,
and ugly.
his teeth are
Coming out.
out. But if I will, oh, your son is very quality, very beautiful, very beautiful, or she will be,
Popped up.
so try to be very far away. If anyone tells that you are bhakta, really, it is good. He is telling truth, but also be careful for this. So anyone being like this, qualified by all these qualities, in morning, in evening, in midday, in night, those who chant Krishnam, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, continuous in day and night, without any break. Oh, for them no any other sadhana is needed. He is perfect. His sadhana is perfect. Very soon he will obtain that rati. So you should try to do like this. Having full faith in name, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram. Oh, embodiment of Radha and Krishna. Radha and Krishna. They have invested their all mercy, all power, all opulences, everything in this name, Hare Krishna. So you should have a very strong faith. By this I must be happy in my life. After life this also. Ekanta bhakte kirtan smara. So what they will do? If he is one-pointed bhakta, ananya bhakta, then kirtan and smaran. He has done samaranam. He has heard all these things, all kinds of Vaishnava theory, Vaishnava philosophy, Krishna Tattva, Jiva Tattva, Maya Tattva, Prem Tattva, Ras Tattva, everything he has heard. Now he is one-pointed and always meditating or smaran, remembering, and kirtan, both. And all other bhakti ke
Limbs of the book.
limbs of bhakti has nothing to do. Only shravan and kirtan, day and night. Not for you. Not for you. One day, this is our goal. Now not. But one day when you will be one-pointed like this, knowing all the Vaishnava philosophies, Prem Tattva, Rasa Tattva, Radha Tattva, Krishna Tattva, everything, then you will be matured. And then he will have no taste in any limbs of bhakti. Only Shravanam Kirtanam. अन्य पर्वे रुचि नहीं है प्रवर्तन. So we should not criticize him in dream even. Otherwise your bhakti will be gone. Bhavera sahita hai Krishna. At that time, by remembering and by kirtan, he does the service of Radha and Krishna and Kunja, always serving. Oh, we cannot now realize this, but really this. There is much difference in Archan and Sevan. What I told.
There's much difference between Archan and Sevan.
What is Sevan? Oh, give it to her. She can explain. No?
Yes, we'll try.
Raghunath Das Goswami Smaran and even Archan of Govardhan Shila is not Archan. It is Bhav Shiva. And Kanishta Madhyam Adhikari, they may do Archan. Their Archan and to serving Gurudev even directly, all are Archan, not Bhav Shiva. It is so high. What I told Prabhu? You. Mahabharat. Mahibharat. Very good.
The worship of the deities, chanting, different things are actually Archan. But then when you come to a very, very high stage, it becomes Bhav Seva.
What is Raghunath Das Goswami was worshipping and giving, offering bhogs to his Giriraj Shila? What is this? This is Archan.
Bhav Seva.
Why?
Because his mood is Anugatya to Srimati Radhika.
Huh?
His mood is Anugatya to Srimati Radhika.
What is meaning?
He is one pointed in his chanting and remembering in his Bhav Seva.
He is doing Bhav Seva. His Archan is Bhav Seva. But our serving also is Archan, not Bhav Seva. So try to realize this. Much difference. Don't think that my Gurudev is, he should also worship like me. Don't
drag him in your own level.
don't drag from transcendental world to here that he should Archan.
Like
He should chant always like me. Counting his beads, 1 lakh or 2 lakh or 3 lakh. Don't see. Rup Goswami, I think that he never chanted and counted 1 lakh name. Why? In first name, when he began Hare Krishna, he was infant. Tears coming, heart melting, and he became unconsciousness. Like Mahaprabhu. It has been told for Mahaprabhu, always with Sankhya, Nirbandha. He used to chant name with his knots of coping. But when he was in unconsciousness and jumping in ocean for 2 days, where was he chanting beads? And how he was doing Hare Krishna? Was he doing? Oh, this is the fruit of all the bhakti limbs.
So if anyone is on the level of Bhav or more, he can do Seva. He will do Bhav Seva.
Yes.
Before that, we are doing Archan.
Archan, all are Archan. Your Guru Seva, everything is Archan. And he, he is not Madhyam Adhikari now. He has become Uttam Adhikari.
But Madhyam Adhikari also Archan.
Yes, to some extent. If he is Madhyam Kanishta or Madhyam, and if he is going to be Uttam Adhikari, then he has passed that way, and his Archan is Bhav Seva.
Bhav Seva and Bhajan same?
That tariki jai. No, it is above sadhan. It is above sadhana. Though Raghunath Das Goswami, Rup Goswami, they were practicing bhakti yoga, but they are so much above the level of sadhana.
না বলছে ভাব সেবা আর ভজন দুটো ভজন ইজ
Yes.
ভাব সেবা
Bhajan is like that. Bhajan is that. Our bhajan is archan, and their
Bhajan.
archan is bhav seva.
ভজন
Bhav seva.
এটা হচ্ছে কৃষ্ণ ভজন
अच्छा। तो भावेर सहित है कृष्ण सेवन, स्वारस की भाव क्रम है उद्दीपन, एंड देन स्वारस की उद्दीपन. What is the meaning of Swarashiki? Swabhav natural. To serve Radha and Krishna conjugal for 8 part of day and night. He is going. He is sitting here. He is not here. He is with Krishna where Krishna is with Radhika. Where Krishna now? Discover. Krishna has returned from cow herding. Jashoda is seeing any scratch in his mouth. No? In mouth. And taking his all
ব্যাড থিং
bad things, balaiya lena. I'm taking. My son should be okay. Like this. And in the meantime, Madhumangal may come. Oh, I know why these scratches. And Krishna, oh, stop. Like, not like this. Oh,
বাই বাই
it may.
আই
And after this, Krishna goes to milk cows, milking cows, and some wrestling with friends. Sometimes Siddham may defeat at that time, and after that he will come and take bath, and Jashoda Maiya give so much prasadam with all friends. And what Radhika? Radhika is repenting in his home. I am very unfortunate, because I cannot meet Krishna alone, never and never. In morning, in night, or sleeping with Mother Jashoda. And after that cow herding, with so lakhs and lakhs
সখাস
Sakha's friends. And after that coming in the lap of Jashoda. So I am unfortunate, so much unfortunate. She is cooking some Manohar laddu, Amrit Keli,
অমৃত গুটিকা
Gotika and so many things, and sends it to Krishna in Jashoda Bhavan, Nanda Bhavan. And they are enjoying all these things. And Radhika is so much lamenting at this time. This is that time. And he will at once by his Siddha say will go and serve Radhika. Oh, sweating Radhika, weeping Radhika, consoling and serving. Oh, this sadhak will do.
ভাব
This is
Bhav seva.
Bhavmayi Seva.
সারসিকি
Swarasaki. Gaur Preman. I have told everything. You should try to take in your heart
One more thing she wants to
and do.
Shamarani.
After this, I don't know anything.
The devotees are asking that our advancement in bhakti comes from the mercy of Guru, but also it depends on our sukritis and sanskars.
Somewhat.
So
Sukriti also comes from their association.
is the mercy of the Guru limited by our own lack of sukritis and sanskars?
Huh?
Does the mercy of the Guru depend upon our amount of sukritis and sanskars?
It may be in some case, but it is always Nirankush. Nirankush means
uncontrolled
uncontrolled by anyone. It may come to any loafer person. bogus person. Krishna mercy, that is called ahetuki, causeless. But sometimes cause. But their mercy and everything is causeless. He may tell a loafer person, oh, bring a glass of water. I know Prabhupada was like this. Some was very lusty. And anyhow, his eyes fell on that person and he told, oh, bring something for me. And he used to bring. And in the last he was totally changed. Miracle. Gaur Premanande. I like that you, Govinda Pral Prabhu, Ashram Maharaj. Oh, what name? Mula Prakriti. You, Prabhu, Mahibharat Prabhu, and all. What you have learnt from me, you should try to distribute like me. This is your best seva for your Guru. For all I am telling this. What you have taken from me, you should try to distribute and to serve. Engage your life in these things. Then your life will be successful, and also these classes will be successful. Now Gaur Premanande.
Hare Krishna.
Drama play?
Now there will be drama play. Before that, one announcement. Devotees who want to receive Srila Gurudev's nectarian classes on a regular basis, we are now creating a list, Harikatha list.
Oh, you should not go. I will tell one thing more.
You can fill out a form. Srimati Shamarani Dasi, she has the forms ready. Her assistant Radhika Dasi can also hand you forms, and you can fill it out and follow the instructions, and automatically you will receive on your email address the nectar on a regular basis. Hare Krishna.
Oh, I want that we have now lot of books. Oh, so you should do.
You should say, but then we'll give the details.
I want. Oh, so many books are there, and now more are going to be published, especially Gita in short form, in so many forms, and other books in so many forms. Also, our Brajmandal Parikrama, in very attractive way in big form, in so many languages. I want that you should try to distribute some things. Your help is needed, and rest he will speak. How you can, at least one set of the books, you should take and distribute, or you should.
September.
Why?
Emotional.
Because conjugal problems.
I don't want to hear any problems. You should go.
I'm afraid he gets another woman.
It is not his default, but your default. Why you?
Because he don't like me to chant.
Not true. Not true.
What?
No, he say he hates me
Brahma Gayatri. Brahma Gayatri or what Gayatri?
Brahma Gayatri.
No, the Gayatri you give me.
Oh, Gayatri are of three kinds. Brahma Gayatri, Guru Gayatri, and Krishna Gayatri. About whom you are telling?
All the mantras you give me. All you give. Because I spend 50 minutes to chant.
Don't do Brahma Gayatri. Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha.
No, I don't do. I know, you tell me. I follow your instructions.
Like and Guru Devaya Vidmahi. You can do. Kling Gaura Kling Chaitanyaya Vidmahi. That Gayatri you can do. Kling Kam Devaya, that Gayatri. All good. Don't forget. If anyone is giving slaps, insulting you, but even you should do. Don't follow.
And time to chant. She was waking and started chanting 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock.
In night?
No, morning. 11:30, not taking care of the boy. Not doing anything. 1 hour chanting Gayatri, 1 hour. No harm.
You should not disturb.
Okay.
But do in morning. And also taking care of this dog. Very lovely.
Você vai dormir aqui só quer ligar.
The whole day and night, if I will be with you, I will lost my everything. Gurudev, what do you do?
Can you give
Shishadev, what?
one japa for Damodara Kriya, Hilufio, Shilozi, initiation, Pajap.
কুঞ্জ বিহারি বলে আছে যখন ব্রহ্মার সঙ্গে আছে ওর স্ত্রীর মালা হারিয়ে গেছে মালা দিবেন ওর জন্য জিজ্ঞেস করছে
No Kunja Bihari, Damodara.
Yes, he's a wife, I told.
No. It's not the Damodara.
She is not the bee. Why?
কুঞ্জের স্ত্রী আরেকজন বলছে
Why?
Some accident.
not কুঞ্জের wife.
Lose a taxi. Lose taxi.
So you can say. Oh, now I should chant. Try to follow me, whether do or don't. But follow me.
You know?
ছেলেকে সান্তাতে বেড়াচ্ছে না মন্দির
Your desire I can do.
and who will do.
I have Achala Prabhu want to do.
All should combine and they should be gone.
Achala Prabhu is
Here in England. But we want to do, and also Asha Maharaj.
$500. Haribo! Who else? $500. Haribo! So now twice I have to personally deliver.
Oh yes.
$100. So please don't forget to come. You're pledged in front of Guru. So don't forget to come and give me your address and phone number and your check.
Also that. Oh, that girl.
Ladini Shakti, 500. Ladini Shakti, 500. Haribo!
And you?
Am I paying for these or you?
another God raise in hand.
$100.
Oh!
Sridham, $100.
Oh!
Jagannath, $100. Haribo! Nirguna, $100.
Oh!
Bhakti Siddhartha Das, Anudas, $100. Haribo! Mari Bharat, $100.
Oh, yeah. Rupkishore.
Rupa Manohar, $100. Haribo!
Very good.
Hanirala, $100. Haribo! Mangala, $100. Haribo!
Oh, that girl.
What girl?
Oh, yeah.
$100. Haribo! Your name? Mangala, Haribo!
Oh, thank you.
$100. Haribo!
Oh, all my books are sold.
Wait, more.
Hey, yeah.
Say your name.
Murari Gupta.
Murari Gupta. $100. Haribo! Vrindavan Bihari. Another 5. That's $1,000. So Gurudev, I have to come and get autographs.
Yes. You should take a note of the devotee.
Anybody else? You can do less if you can.
Oh, that Kamala comes.
$100. Haribo!
Oh, see.
$100. Haribo! Shivananda Singh.
When you distribute those books, if you send an email to Basanti or Krishna Mai with any story of what happened when you went out to give those books, then we'll put them all together, and for Badger, we'll present a nice book of Sankirtan stories for Gurudev and for Gurudev's associates.
Sankirtan Newsletter, Haribol!
I could not understand.
Anyone
I
else?
will meet some nice person.
I cannot see that far.
Their stories and make a little book for them.
$100, Haribol!
When you come to Badger, we'll do
Anyone else? Rishabh Dev!
Oh,
$200, Haribol!
Oh,
Mulakriti, $100, Haribol!
very good. Thank you.
Anyone else? Anyone else?
Krishna Bhajan. Krishna Bhajan.
$50, Haribol! Anyone else?
No.
Nandarani, $50, Haribol! Any other hands? Haridas, $100, Haribol!
Thank you. Thank you.
Abhiram.
Abhiram, $25,
Oh, very good.
$50, Haribol!
Myself, $1.
Do we have anyone else?
Gurudev himself.
Gurudev?
$1.
Anyone else that we have missed? Anyone feeling brave?
Oh, now Kirtan.
And last, because I want the autograph book, $1,000.
Oh, thank you. I think $5,000.
Hare Krishna, we prepare for drama, and whoever not give their Guru Dakshin, who has begged, they can come and offer to Gurudev.
Oh, to Prabhu. Stand up and he only.
Now don't forget,
Thank you.
write your name down in that room.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,